Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is October 10th. A little weaker trade today for corn and beans. Corn falling about 5 1/4 cents. Beans down 26 3/4, with wheat actually finding some support, up about 5 1/4. So big focus on tomorrow's report. 7:30 tomorrow morning. This report will be released here. We're going to get another look at yield, acreage numbers. We're going to see production out of this. We're going to get ending stocks as well as world ending stocks. So some of the I guess focus is going to be on, let's talk about ending stocks. Okay, last report USDA had released 733 million bushels of corn carry out as far as the corn. This report, the average guess is down to 648, so 648 million. The trade is looking at that as a little bit friendly for this report. Not only that, a number that you've got to check out here is yield. Last report, 122.8. Very slight increase this time, 122.9 is what the average guess for this. So watch for that. That could be an adjustment here that will affect that ending stock number very quickly. If they come out with a higher yield or whatever, we may see more ending stocks. So the surprise for corn, the report as it stands, and as far as looking at the average guesses, should be a little bit friendly for corn here tomorrow. But if it is a surprise, we're probably going to be looking at more of a bearish surprise with the trade right now looking for more bullish. As far as beans, a yield, the average trade guess right now is looking at 37 bushels, 37 bushels the acre. Last report, USDA was at 35.3, so looking for an increase there, a pretty good increase, but also looking for a jump in ending stocks. So a 115 was the last ending stock number we had, looking for that to increase to about 134. So on beans, like I said, we're down 26 3/4 cents today. That could end up putting more pressure on these beans, maybe going to try to test those lows that we've seen down near 15 if these results are found. And then on wheat, we're going to get an ending stock number on wheat. This is why I think we saw wheat up about 5 1/2 today. Was due, if you look at the ending stocks here that USDA released last time for wheat, we were at 698. We're looking for a decrease down to 630. So that could be a sizable decrease. It could be friendly for wheat, could be friendly for corn, but maybe a little bearish here as far as beans. We didn't get any help here from these outside markets. We had the dollar down about 6 cents today, not doing too much. Crude oil breaking back down $1.10, but that seems to be the trade. If it's not up one day, it's down the next. So we get this very back and forth trade here as far as crude oil. In the livestock, fat cattle down about 12 cents today for December. Very quiet trade. Box beef, you had choice down 4 cents, select down 36. Not a lot of movement there as well. But we did get some cash bids coming in today at about 122. You got asking prices at 126, 127. We did trade last week at 124. So the market's still kind of waiting patiently to see how we trade this week. Are we going to trade steady? Can we trade a little higher this week like we had seen last week? If we do, I think we could get another recovery, another rebound here as far as cattle. In the hogs, December hogs once again higher, up another $1.10 today. Okay, that puts December at 77.90. Strong day. We've seen the cash market stay strong for hogs. Seasonally, this time of year, we do peak out on hogs, but the cash market has not turned yet. So the cash market hasn't signaled a bottom yet. We're still looking at higher prices yet, but overall, once we get this October, I think, off the board, that's when we've seen this market break before. It may take that. It may take another couple days in order to see that, but stay in tune with that cash market. Continue watching that for some direction as far as hogs. So give us a call over here tomorrow morning. Like I said, 7:30, going to be very important for our grain markets. And probably going to see quite a bit of volatility just as we saw off that quarterly stock report as well. But you can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys had a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.